Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Tesla Model S headlight using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, such as a trim removal tool and a 10mm socket. Next, power off your Tesla Model S and engage the parking brake for safety. Finally, turn the steering wheel fully to one side to gain access to the front fender liner. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight. Using your trim removal tool, carefully pry out the 5 plastic clips that secure the front fender liner. Once those are removed, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts that firmly hold the headlight in its position. Gently pull back the fender liner to fully expose the entire headlight assembly, giving you clear access for the next steps. With the headlight exposed, it's time to disconnect it. First, firmly press the release tab on the main electrical connector and pull it free. Next, carefully unclip the 2 additional smaller electrical connectors that power various functions. Once all 3 connectors are detached, you can now gently slide the old headlight assembly straight out from its mounting position. To install your new headlight, carefully slide the assembly into the opening until it clicks firmly into its designated place. Then, reconnect all 3 electrical connectors, ensuring each one is fully secure and properly seated. Finally, reinstall the 2 10mm bolts and reattach the 5 fender liner clips. Perform a quick test to confirm your new headlight is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.